We've all heard of that famous saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. While many of us are fortunate enough to have a healthy body, there are, however, still countless individuals around the world who face the challenge of an underdeveloped healthcare system. Since the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, the significance of vaccines has been universally acknowledged. However, the disparities in the scientific and also healthcare advancements between different countries have led to a troubling phenomenon known as vaccine injustice. Compounded by the complexities of the cold chain transportation, there were numerous instances of vaccine spoilage and wastage. So how can we address all these challenges? How can we overcome the barriers to producing a cost-effective vaccines that can be easily stored and distributed worldwide? Well, the solution may be simpler and smaller than you think, through bacteria. More specifically, we are talking about probiotics, those beneficial bacteria for our guts. These microorganisms play a vital role in sustaining our health by promoting a healthy balance between the good and bad bacteria. To maintain such balance, it is important that we consume foods that are rich in probiotics. However, these probiotics are also available in sachets. So all we have to do is to tear open the package, pop it in our mouths, and swallow. Easy, right? Now imagine if we could take these probiotics one step further by engineering them to provide even greater benefits, as in probiotic vaccines. In my research project, I explored the use of a genetically modified lactic acid bacteria, which is a kind of probiotics, that can express the antigen of a pathogen for certain diseases. In my study, I used malaria as a modeling disease. Upon a regimen of consistent consumption, my findings indicate that these probiotic vaccines are able to confer immunity by generating specific antibodies, which are like little soldiers in your blood, that could potentially combat the pathogens upon their entry. Now, the important thing about these probiotic vaccines is that they're beautiful because of how practical they are. They can be easily freeze-dried into powder sachets and be shipped away to faraway countries just as easily as any Amazon packages will do, eliminating the need for cold chain transportation. Additionally, being a probiotic, they have the natural benefits of conferring the healthy gut microbiome composition. This dual advantage holds great promise in addressing the challenges we face as we prepare for the next waves of pandemics. Perhaps one day in the future, instead of saying an apple a day keeps the doctor away, we might instead find ourselves saying a sachet a day keeps the pandemic away.